So guess what's been popping up everywhere lately? Insta360's new Go Ultra. And honestly, this little camera is already catching a lot of attention. Before we dive into all the juicy details, quick favor, hit that subscribe button. Think of it like clipping the Go Ultra onto your backpack. Light, easy, and you'll thank yourself later. Now, here's the fun part. The launch window's still a bit of a mystery. Most signs point to IFA Berlin in September, but there's talk it could sneak out in late August. No confirmed date yet, but the promo images, they're basically a teaser trailer on their own. You see it clipped to a cyclist's chest, strapped to a backpack, mounted on a bike, and even underwater. It's the kind of camera that blends right into whatever you're doing. No bulk, no hassle, just pure let's go. And yep, underwater use is on the table. Just like the Go 3S, slap on the lens guard, and you're good to go for swimming. Planning on going deeper? That's where a dive case accessory will likely come in handy, but let's talk about that little flap on the side of the Go Ultra. This thing is curious. It might be a charging port, which would save you from always docking it in the action pod, or maybe, just maybe, an SD card slot. That would be huge, especially with high-res, high bitrate recording. Insta360 usually avoids removable storage, but the design hints at something new. Inside, the upgrade is massive. The 1 over 1.2 8-inch sensor is a noticeable step up from the Go 3S, letting in more light and giving you richer colors, better dynamic range, and stronger low-light shots. Pair that with a rumored 5nm chip and Insta360's smart algorithms, and nighttime footage might actually look clean instead of grainy. One of the biggest complaints with the Go 3S was overheating, especially in 4K. With the Ultra's slightly bigger body, there's a good chance Insta360 has cooled things down. And performance-wise, we're talking 4K at 60 FPS with a 180 megabits per second bitrate. That's buttery smooth video with way more detail, compared to the Go 3S maxing at 4K 30 FPS with around 120 megabits per second. Add an active HDR, and you're looking at punchy colors and balanced contrast, even if you're shooting in tricky light. Now, let's not forget the redesigned action pod. Insta360 clearly listened this time. You're getting up to 200 minutes of battery life with a crazy fast charge that gets you to 80% in just 10 minutes. Plus, they added an LED tally light, so you know the camera's rolling without second guessing. And the pod isn't just a charger anymore. It's a comfy grip, a wireless remote, and overall way sleeker to hold. So yeah, if all these leaks are on point, the Go Ultra could be the biggest jump we've seen from Insta360 in a while. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below, and hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you're the first to catch more updates. Peace.